morning, class 9. Myself, Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, welcoming you to e-learning platform of St. Michael Higher Secondary Bedni. Students, in previous video, we just started a new lesson, a poem by James Kirkup, who has tried his level best to teach a universal lesson that no men are strange and no countries are foreign. He has given so many grounds, so many arguments in favor of his universal statement that he has given as a title of the poem. We have been taught, we have been informed that the breathing style and disposal of dead bodies, all these are going to have uniform motions. He has further stated that we need and we are aware of sun and air and water. All the people of the world are badly in need of these three things, and the same way each and everyone is going to adopt. No one can change the way of sun, air and water. He has further stated that the peaceful harvest of our love and the war is always destroying. He has also said that we are similar, we are familiar on the basis of the outer composition of our body, that we have hands, and each and every citizen, each and every people of the world have same concept about labor. The concept, the tone of labor is not different, so it's not wise and it's not nice to say that the men living in any part, any corner of the world are strange or unfamiliar. He has further stated in paragraph number 3 that each and every one has same eyes and they enjoy the same way of waking or sleeping. He has also made it clear that the strength, the physical capacity and mental ability are almost same or similar. The frequency may be different, and the concept about love is common in each and every corner of the whole world. The concept of love is not going to differ. So how can a man be different? And he has also given his strong grounds that all the people of the world have same way of recognizing the person and understanding the behavior, approach and thought of the common people. So he has again said that it's not wise and beautiful to say that a man from America is foreign and a man from China is different. All the grounds are going to make his statement forceful, and we should accept it easily, wisely and beautifully. He has also reminded in the 4th paragraph that let's remember, whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is not there in our mind, in our heart, but later the people, those who are our family members, those who are our relatives, our friends and our close persons, they try to teach us the lesson of hate. And it's our own property, it's our own opinion. We should just not promote any kind of negative activity in our life. As for example, he is going to warn us that we should not betray anybody, we should not condemn anybody, and we should not fight against any human being. He says that we should love universal tone of peace, universal tone of love, and we should love in that beautiful way which is loved and liked by most of the people. Students, in the last paragraph of this beautiful and lesson teaching poem. He has taught us a good lesson that the earth on which we are living should not be polluted. God has made it for the people, those who are innocent and those who just love peace, harmony and others. And he has said that if anyone is going to just be away from the capturing capacity of innocence view, and the air, if it is present in any corner, in any part of our life, in any part of our houses, is not going to be different. So in the last of the poem, it has been made beautifully, it has been made a strong ground that we should remember, we should consider, we should treat anybody from any corner of the world similar, familiar, and we should never say that he is a strange or any country is a strange. Students, on the whole, we have come to know the moral, the message of the poem is that you should love universal concept of peace, universal concept of brotherhood, and universal concept of what? Humanity. And we should also just keep in our mind Vasudhara Kutumbakam, the whole universe is our happy home. All the people living in any part of the world, in any corner of the world, are our brothers and sisters. We should not consider anyone outsider. Students, after the completion of this poem, I have decided to give you homework. You have to do all these questions given at page number 81. You should also write the summary of the poem and remember the important words which may be helpful in making your knowledge just enhanced. And I hope you will do all the questions summary in the copies that you have to buy from school. If you buy copy from outside, that will not be allowed in our school. So if you have not buy the copy and then get the question answers ready, summary ready, and get it checked. Thank you. Have a nice day.